Looks like you're right on time.
Put your hands up!
What you gonna do? Kill me? The neighborhood ice guy?
Breaking news. Captain Cold is already off to a bad start right out of prison. Who can help us?
This will be done in a flash. Oh man, that was bad fun, even for me.
Come on, Flash. You think I'd do a heist and not plan it? I ain't going back.
Well, that was a little easy.
Straight from the outback, and I ain't talking steakhouses, mate. Eat this. About to get flame grilled on the barbie.
That's gonna hurt. Who are you?
Don't you recognize me? I was the one who killed your mom.
You did what?
Oh, so you do recognize me.
You ruined my life. You're the man in the yellow suit. You murdered my mom. You framed my dad. Tell me why I shouldn't kill you right now.
Flash, you're a hero. Once you start killing, you'll never be able to stop killing, and you don't want that.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I hate you, Flash. You two have a permit to fight up here? Because I hand them out. I'm also a master in the kitchen.
Forget the permit. I want to give you a coupon for a free ass whooping.
Thank goodness for all my speed. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to regenerate that fast.
You caused me a lot of problems in the future, Oliver Queen. And I'm gonna take care of this now. Hey, I need to know more about this guy to take him down.
Your guess is as good as mine. He's new in town. Shoot! He's gonna know my identity. Where did I put my mask?
Don't worry, Roy. It's just the Flash. He's with me.
That sure is a relief. Well, I'm Roy. I've seen you on the news.
We got some preparing to do. Let's get started. I should finish it up. Here you go. It's a new net arrow. It should do the trick. Don't miss.
Is everyone in position? Red arrow in position.
Green arrow in position.
Right. Get ready for him. He'll be here any second. I'm ready to take the shot.
Oh, hurry up and take the shot. We don't have much time.
Huh. Let's see you get out of that.
Then you'll be in for a treat.
How did he get out of it?
It's vibrated his molecules out of the netting. There's no other way to get out of it.
I'm about to end you, Flash.
Let's see you face through that.
You stand up after that.
this supposed to be?
Looks like you need some help.
Yeah, I guess. Thanks.
I'm Black Canary.
See you around, Flash.
I can't let him get away. Not again. I'm not gonna let you get away. Not this time.
So predictable, Flash. Every timeline you're the same, I swear.
What do you mean by timelines?
At this rate, Flash, you'll never catch me. You'll never be fast enough.
I'm always fast enough. I'm the fastest man alive.
This is what I'm talking about, Flash. Predictability.
Stay back or he will die.